Today's lesson is about identifying the value of a digit in a number. Okay, so we're looking at the place value. Okay, so the value of the digit. The easiest way to do this is, if you're not sure, is to actually just put it on the place value line. So if you're not sure, I would write out my place value line. So I've got units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, and then it's millions. Okay, so if you're not sure, so you always start from the end and go back so you know where to place it on the value line. So the last digit is always the units, so 5 3 0 2 9. I always find it easier if you go backwards and then you've got them in the right place. Okay, so then it's really simple. All you need to do now is just write down what the 9 represents. So the 9 represents a 10,000. You wouldn't get it wrong if you wrote that represented 90,000. Okay, so it could be that you wanted to write it like that. Okay, entirely up to you, but I would always write the word representation. Okay, so the 2 represents 1,000, the 0 represents the hundreds, the 3 represents the tens, and the 5 represents the units. So you need to do the same for each of these. Okay, I'm going to show you now on the bigger valued questions. Okay, so again, I would do the same thing. I would put the number on my place value line. So we've got millions, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, and units. Okay, so I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to start at the end and work my way back. So 0, 6, 1, 2, 5, 0, 4. Okay, and then all I have to do now is look at the number on the number line and write in here. So we've got 4 represents millions, 5 represents 10,000s, the 2 is in the thousands columns, the 1 is in the hundreds, and the 6 represents tens. Okay, so now I want you to have a go at the questions.